Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify ActiveCampaign Cloud email marketing settings. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your ActiveCampaign account. Navigate to the settings section located in the bottom left corner of your dashboard. In the settings menu, click on email. You will now see various options related to your email marketing settings. First, check the sending domain section. Ensure that your sending domain is verified. If it's not verified, follow the instructions provided to set it up. Next, move on to the email configuration options. Look for the from email address you wish to use. Confirm that this email address is properly formatted and associated with your verified domain. After verifying your email address, proceed to the reply to settings. Make sure this address is also correctly set to manage responses from your emails. Now, check the tracking settings. Enable link tracking to gather analytics on how recipients engage with your emails. Ensure that your forms are properly linked to the right campaign and list. Next, look for the campaign default settings. Set your default email subject line and pre-header text for consistency across campaigns. Once you've reviewed all necessary settings, save any changes you made. Finally, send a test email to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Check the test email for accurate formatting and links. If errors arise, revisit your settings to make necessary adjustments. With these steps completed, your ActiveCampaign email marketing settings should be fully verified and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.